everywhere you go in Hanoi, you end up, if you follow Google Maps, or sometimes even for fun, you end up in like little alleyways like this one. And it's a residential area, yes, but you always got some businesses, and it's a regular street, but it's just like a little alleyway that only scooters can go through. And they're super busy, as you guys can see. I'll see if I show you a little bit of it. Let's go. So now we're out of the alleyway and back on the streets, and it happens all the time. You're on the street, and then suddenly alleyway, and then back on the street, and then it's like a very wide avenue, and then little alleyways again. And that's how the central area of Hanoi is like. It's just like that. That was a bit scary there, like everybody going the wrong direction. It is a two-way street, guys, but I guess everybody's going on the other direction, and the road's so busy they just invade your lane. It is rush hour though. It's almost 6 p.m, around 6 p.m. now, so it is like one of the busiest moments of traffic here in Hanoi. As you guys can see, there's a lot of street food here in Hanoi, and Hanoi is known for its food actually. Many of Vietnamese dishes, traditional dishes, originated here, and this is a street food paradise, guys. If you like street food, oh my god, so many options, fairly inexpensive, and fairly sanitary too. Whoa. Better pay attention. major avenue here. I'm putting the camera close to my face so you can hear me. Alright, it is busy, but I've been here for about a week. I haven't seen one single accident. It's crazy how this looks chaotic, but it's actually functional, very functional. Was a bit scary there, guys. I guess he's the big one, so he has the right of way. You guys are having fun, because I'm not. This traffic's so crazy. You gotta keep your alertness level to the maximum, so you don't have time to have fun or to, you know, sightseeing or anything. I like riding my scooter here in Hanoi, but not during traffic so intense as this rush hour. And it's also a Friday, so it's probably the roughest traffic of the entire week. Friday, 6 p.m. Whew, I'm out of that crap. Nice. It's kind of hard to drive with only one hand. I can't reach my turning signal. All right. Out of the traffic jam, but still very busy. As the video is like 20 minutes, so it's about 6:15, 6:20 p.m. Rush hour, guys. Friday rush hour. Crazy traffic at Hanoi. Let's go. Alright guys, this ride wasn't only for video. I actually need to go to one of the phone stores here, so I arrived to my destination and I'm signing off. I hope you guys enjoyed this this rush hour traffic on a Friday here in Hanoi. Pretty crazy. Especially if you're used to like Western countries with not so many bikes or scooters, mostly cars. It spices up the traffic a little bit. So signing off, catch you guys later.